Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. In this video, I will tell you two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger through the special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. I will tell you step by step on how you can get as much as up to 95% off in this special Cyber Week sales running right now. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either the coupon code and my step-by-step tutorial. So once you click, you will be landed on a page like this, where you can see a special deal running right now, a Cyber Week deal running right now. You are getting up to 80% off, but I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off. So you have to stay with me on this. So 30 days money back guarantee is included. And if you scroll below, you may see hosting reviews. And you may be surprised to see that Hostinger got very good reviews. 5-star, 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 5-star. This is 3-star, but apart from this, all of them are 5 stars. You can see around over here, almost everyone pays them for their services. And the best thing is that all of the plans, all of the plans covered with, and you may see that all of the plans cover with 30 days money back guarantee. So you can buy with confidence from Hostinger. And you can see Hostinger has been nominated and mentioned on every place on the internet. So which is why I'm here with a special coupon code for my audience. And I've been using it from the last 4 years and my experience is very good. Hostinger also have their WordPress functionality. They support WordPress and they have a special service for this WordPress. Hostinger also has migrate to Hostinger. So if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger with a special coupon code deal, Hostinger is going to take cover of all your issues regarding website transfer. They have a special tools, plus their support is going to manage this. You can also shape your vision with the AI, Hostinger Horizons. You turn your words into a new website or a web app with Hostinger Horizon, which is just amazing. And you just have to give a command. No code required, nothing more. Hostinger has right now 4 million plus people using as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it, which is why I'm here with a special coupon code for my audience. And 150 plus countries served, 20 plus of experience, and 10 million plus websites created right now. And if you scroll below, you may see around these are their plans. And you can use the coupon code on any of the plan. You can simply move into the plans by simply going up and then selecting the claim deal over here. So you land over here. So now you can use coupon code on any of the plan, but I recommend you to do a thorough research of all the plan features by simply going to see all features and do a thorough comparison and then opt for any plan. So right now the business plan is 83% off, and I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off. So simply select the choose plan over here, and once you select the choose plan, you may be moved over here. You can see a special deal running right now for Cyber Week. So the special exclusive discounts is on 48 months. My recommendation is to offer the 48 months. Also, you can use the coupon code on any of the billing period. My recommendation is to offer the 48 months. So you can save the maximum amount of money because these prices won't appear again. And these are exclusively from my audience. You can also get a free domain right now, or you can also check it from your Hostinger control panel as well. I'm just showing you this example. This is for the first year valid. You can choose any of the TLD. I'm going with the .com, and I'm also going to select just like 1 year, so you do not have to pay anything for that domain additionally. My 30 days money back guarantee is over here. So now you can see right now my business plan. So you can see 48 months, you are getting daily backup free. You are getting email marketing, 3 extra months free domain. So with 83% off, and then you're getting daily backup, email marketing, 3 extra months free domain. So do your math yourself, and you're going to realize that you're saving as much as up to 95% off. And then you may say that how? So I'm going to tell you a coupon code as well, which is going to save you further 10% as well. So this coupon code mentioned in the description of this video, along with a special discount code, discount link, is going to save you additional money. So make sure to use the link and then this coupon code. Now there is another coupon code as well. So you have a flexibility of choosing any of the coupon code to grab this amazing deal. So once I write over here, you're going to see that my price got a further discount. Simply select the continue and move on to the last part, and that is doing payment at Hostinger. You may be asked to log in to your Hostinger account, or you may need to create a new account. But since I'm already logged in, which is why I'm on the last page, I can see my order summary over here. My coupon code is loaded, and I can do my math anytime for up to 95% off. You can see it was 911, it's 142. So now write my billing details over here and move to the continue, and then selecting the last part, and that is doing the payment method. Hosting offer, you write payment method, guys. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay China, Alipay Hong Kong, and CoinGate. Also, you have variety of payment methods to choose. So just have to write your card details and simply select the submit payment. And within few minutes, you're going to get an email from HostingGate with all of your hosting account details and how you can log in. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount with Hostinger. So yeah, this is the right time of the year because the Cyber Week is going on. So take the maximum out of Hostinger. Good luck with the hosting from Hostinger.